Today we're making this cute sunflower charm with a fluffy center and beautiful petals. It's simple, fun, and perfect for beginners. If you like it, crochet along with me. We'll use 3 colors of yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Now let's start by making the sunflower center with a magic ring and chain 1 to secure it. Pull up the loop a little taller, then start making the bubble stitch. To make a puff stitch, yarn over and insert your hook into the ring, then pull up a loop. Repeat the same step 3 more times into the ring. After that, yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook and chain 1 to complete the puff stitch. Continue working 9 more puff stitches into the ring, so you'll have a total of 10 puff stitches. Then pull the magic ring tight and make a slip stitch to join the round. Now start round 2 by making chain 1. Then work 20 single crochet evenly around the circle. This round will have a total of 19 single crochet stitches. For the last stitch, insert your hook between the first and last stitches and make 1 single crochet. And make a slip stitch to join the round. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends to finish. We'll need to make 2 pieces for the puff center. Now, let's start making the beautiful petals with yellow yarn. Place the 2 puff pieces back to back, then insert your hook through both matching stitches. Pull up a loop with the yellow yarn to start joining them, and chain 3. Work 4 unfinished half double crochets into the same stitch. For each one, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. And repeat this 3 more times in the same stitch, so you have multiple loops on your hook. Then work another 4 unfinished half double crochets into the next stitch the same way, building up more loops. On your hook, after that, yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Then chain 1 to close the stitch. Now chain 3, then slip stitch into the first chain to form a picot. Next, chain 3 and slip stitch into the next stitch to secure it. Repeat this pattern around for a total of 10 petals. Finally, fasten off and weave in all ends to finish. Now let's move on to making the leaf. Start by making a slip knot and chaining 9. Now begin in the second chain from the hook. Make 1 single crochet in that stitch. Then 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. Next, work 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 chains. After that, make 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. And 3 single crochets in the last chain to turn the tip of the leaf. Now we'll work along the opposite side of the chain. Make 1/2 double crochet. Then 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Continue with 1/2 double crochet, then 1 single crochet. Finally, slip stitch to join the round. Fasten off and weave in the ends to finish the leaf. Simply attach the sunflower and the leaf together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.